If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. Sneezing can cause a rib fracture when the sudden, forceful contraction of the muscles involved in the sneeze puts excessive pressure on the rib cage. This pressure can cause a rib to crack or fracture, resulting in pain, discomfort, and difficulty breathing. Individuals who have weakened bones or certain medical conditions that affect bone density, such as osteoporosis, are at a higher risk of fracturing a rib from sneezing. Additionally, older adults and individuals who have undergone certain medical procedures, such as surgery or radiation therapy to the chest area, may also be more susceptible to rib fractures from sneezing. If you experience pain or discomfort in your chest or rib area after sneezing, it is important to seek medical attention.